All right, a quick little lesson on slurs and ties, the difference between slurs and ties. The reality is, officially they have different definitions, but really they do the same thing to the notes that they are connecting. All right, and we'll explain that in just a moment. So, the definition for a slur first. The slur is a curved line placed over two or more notes of different pitch, indicating that they are to be played smoothly and well connected. So, a short little one-bar melody here, a descending pattern. You can see there's a slur between the first two notes, between these two quarter notes. So if I get a metronome going, we'd have this melody. 3, 4. Da, da, da. Right, those are the notes. Da, da, da. But what I just played there lacked the slur. If I add the slur, we'll get this music. 3, 4. Da, da. And hopefully you heard that smooth movement, played smoothly and well connected. Listen again. Da, da. You'll notice I moved smoothly without actually articulating that second note. I didn't use my tongue to go ta on that second beat. I went ta, ta, and of course I articulated the half note that follows because it's not part of the slur. Okay, now a tie does the same thing. It means I don't articulate the second note. The only difference is that it's connecting notes of the same pitch, indicating that the length of the two notes is joined together. So here we have a curved line connecting two notes of the same pitch. I simply do not articulate this second note. All right, so just for a moment, listen to this music without the slur. If here's our tempo, 1 and 2 and 3, and I'd have da 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 da, right? 4/8 notes followed by a half note. Da 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 da. Now when I include the slur, I'm just not articulating this. I'm holding the note for the full value. So it would sound like this, 3 and 4. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. So hopefully you can hear the difference between slurred notes and unslurred notes, or tied notes and untied notes. Really, they do mean the same thing. What they officially mean is that it means you do not articulate the next note. You don't articulate that next note. You move smoothly from one to the other, whether it's two notes of different pitch. You move smoothly from one to the other, even if it's notes of the same pitch. You don't articulate that. You hold it for the full value. You play that as a quarter note, play it as a quarter note, but move smoothly without articulating the subsequent notes. All right, so a slur connecting two notes of different pitch. A tie connects two notes of the same pitch. Now, the exercise is down below. It says circle the slurs in this melody. So circle all the curved lines that connect notes of different pitches. And then circle the ties in the following melody. So circle all the curved lines that connect notes of the same pitch. Slurs are different pitch. Ties are the same pitch. The next activity, draw 2 slurs and 1 tie in appropriate places in this melody. Slurs can, of course, happen between any two notes of different pitch. You can connect, I'll just draw a couple here for you. You can connect 2 notes like that. You could connect 2 or 3 notes. You could do one of these, or even one of these. Those 3 would all be examples of slurs, because you're connecting 2 or more notes of different pitches. And then if little activity at the bottom, mark the half steps with slurs in these scales. So here you have 3 major scales. A major scale starting on C, starting on G, and starting on F, all with their appropriate key signatures. So find where the half steps are, and this is why we did the lesson just previously, learning what a half step is. Mark the half steps with slurs in these scales. So quick little exercise. Should be nothing to it, all right? Do this worksheet and we'll take it up in class. See you in the next lesson.